We are all packed up and ready to go again. We come with a lot of baggage. It's Saturday night. All of my husband's cousins, my sister, everybody are at a party right now. I didn't end up going to the party because I worked till late and then I had to pack and I had the kids. I had no one to watch the kids. I didn't want to take the kids with me. So I ended up not going to the party, but they're going to pick me up and we're going to go to the Pocono since it is a long weekend. We decided, why not? Why not? Huh? Why not? So now I'm just doing some last minute things. We're all packed up and then we're out of here. You guys want to come along on the journey? No? Well, I'm gonna take you anyway. By the way, I'm the person that cleans every inch of my house before going anywhere. I just like coming home to like a clean house. So my house is spotless and I'm just in such a good mood because it's spotless. And also I do these vlogs because lately all my daughter watches are my vlogs. And she's like, Mommy, please do more vlogs. Please do more vlogs. So that's why I'm putting a bunch of vlogs out there. Even though we just went to the Poconos in my last vlog, we're going again and I'm gonna vlog it because she loves to watch them. And so does my nephew and my son, so they all just like sit in front of it and they love it. So that's what these vlogs are for. So sorry if it's repetitive and we're going away to the Poconos again, but it is what it is. I do it for the kids. We made it! Get ready, Pocono. We made it! We made it! We made it! Why are you still awake?
Because you're not awake.
Okay, go to bed. I am up and going to work out. Look at this beautiful view. Look at that. I'm gonna work out by the pool today. You guys like my ankle weights? I'm excited.
Let's go see the let's go see the hey, let's go see the let's see the hey, let's see
Micah, I think you're supposed to hide. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. Huh. Where is he? Not in this room. Is he over here? No? I don't know where he went. I found you! Ibrahim, how's your foot? Is your foot feeling better?
Let's go to the
Do what you used to do. I know, but he can't do it.
So I'm out here. The weather is beautiful. It's a bit chilly, but oh, it's so beautiful. So I'm out here with my drone, just getting some footage and just appreciating the beauty of being in nature. My workout this morning was probably one of the most low impact workouts I've had in a long time, but I just felt so good, even though I have a busted knee. Just being outside and being in nature and being out here, this weather is absolutely beautiful. It's just so fresh and crisp, and it just makes you appreciate everything, you know? And just looking at this footage from the drone and seeing how small we are in the grand scheme of things, it's just, it's really amazing. So yeah, I don't really talk a lot in my vlogs. One of my friends said I should talk more in my vlogs. I didn't know you're supposed to talk a lot in your vlogs. So here I am, just giving you guys a little gratitude. I don't know what I would call it. A virtual gratitude journal entry. There you go. There's a term. If you're having a bad day, this is your sign to think of all the beautiful things in life and just appreciate all of it, the good and the bad. That's all I got.
Hi. Oh.
Cheese! Gabriel Booger cheese? You're shy now. Shy boy. God bless you, Diba Najib. Patani joined me for my workout today, right? You're exercising with me?
Yeah.
That's right. He's gonna get strong, right? He's gonna have muscles. Jono made us cookies. Thank you, sir, for the cookies. Thank you for the cookies. Just doing my makeup. I hate when I take a shower and then all of this gets colored with makeup. Gabriel, look at she.
A big problem.
You want she?
Because Mama needs
Not
help.
cheese. Gabriel, you want she?
Okay. Listen.
Gabriel,
you
look at she.
go with she? You might want to pick you up?
What's in your hair?
Flower.
Why?
Because I like it.
Stop. Say hi.
Hi, Ty.
You love me?
Yeah.
Who loves me?
Mahayo.
Mahayo loves me?
No, I love you more.
I got a boo-boo. Good morning! Hi, Daddy! Hello. What are you angry for? Hey. Gupti, hi. Sophia's first time in her life having McDonald's.
After this, I'm never going to
Why? You can eat it. After this.
Papa, what you doing?
Nobody's there, bro.
And it's time to go home. It was a great weekend. Great people, great food, great fun. Sophie? Did you have fun? What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when I went at the sand pit.
When you what?
Sand pit.
The sand pit? That's not my favorite part. Bless you. Grabbing some snacks for the road. Why are you wearing Sophia's shoes?
He's wearing my shoes because he's borrowing them.
Why?
Because he couldn't find his other shoe.
Home sweet home. Look, he was trying to sit on the steps to put his shoes back on because he wants to go back outside. Gabriel, you want to go back outside? Come on. Where are you going? Oh, he heard the garage door. Hello. Hey guys. Home. Unpacked and put Gabriel to sleep. Threw in the laundry, per usual. And now I'm gonna go nurse Sophia to health because she's saying she doesn't feel good and she has a sore throat. So now I gotta go take care of that. So anyway, it was a great trip, had a great time, and now I am ready to go to bed. My knee is killing me. So I gotta nurse myself back to health too. See you guys in the next one. Bye.